Okay, so another key question that is asked when you're studying AI or artificial intelligence is, what is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning? So we call it as AI versus ML versus DL. Now, the best way to understand is to look at it in a way of an onion, right? So you can see that there are different layers of onions, right? And same way, what we have done here is we have shown artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. So if you talk about it, you can talk about that in the form of various layers, right? The topmost layer is artificial intelligence. Right. So now we all understand that AI is the capability of a computer system to mimic human-like cognitive functions. And now we know cognitive stands for knowing, learning, understanding, right? So this is the top level, artificial intelligence. So underneath AI comes ML, which is machine learning. Now, we understood that machine learning is nothing but it is a branch of AI and computer science which focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate or mimic the way humans learn, and they improve the accuracy. And the best examples I gave you was that when a baby is born, the baby can't distinguish between a cat and a dog, right? So same way a baby learns, right, based on the books that he or she reads, or the parents or the teachers, they tell the features of a cat and a dog. And another good example of machine learning we learned was Netflix, right? Netflix, how it gives you various recommendations on the movies that you should be watching. So machine learning is a subset of AI which uses statistical methods to enable machines to improve with experience. So the key here is improve, right? You are improving, right? Then comes a field called deep learning or DL, right? So remember, deep learning is a method in artificial intelligence which teaches computers to process the data in a way that is inspired by human brain. Very important. It is inspired by human brain. That's why the concept of neural networks comes into picture. So it is a subset of ML or a subset of machine learning which makes the computation of multi-layer neural network feasible. We will do a more deep dive onto neural network. But for the moment, you try and understand that deep learning is a foundation for driverless cars, right? We talk about driverless cars. We talk about Gen AI systems, right? So at the back end or the backbone of deep learning I would say deep learning is actually the backbone for driverless cars or generative AI, right? Very important. So AI versus ML versus DL. It is a layered mechanism. Topmost layer AI, then underneath comes machine learning, then comes deep learning. So thanks for watching.